it's Dahlia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I like to make oatmeal cookies and I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to make. It's absolutely easy and I think it's great like for morning and late night snack. Without further ado, let's just get started with the video. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need oats. You can use any kind of oats you like. Use this type of oats. So you're going to be needing oats. You're going to need 1 egg, baking soda, baking powder, pure vanilla extract. You can use any kind you like, but I am using the Market Pantry from Target. You're gonna need brown sugar, so you can use any sugar you like, flour, sugar. You're gonna need cinnamon. You're gonna need butter. I'm using the Land Lakes. This one is unsalted butter. You can use the salted one, but I like to use the unsalted. And this one is 1 stick you're gonna need. You're also gonna need salt. You can use sea salt if you like. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm gonna be using salt instead. And then you're gonna need raisins as well. I use this type of raisins right here. These ones are the sun-made raisins. It's optional, you can add raisins if you like, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of raisin, small bowl to add your ingredients inside. So the first thing that you're gonna need is 1 cup of flour, and I'm just gonna add it in the bowl. You're gonna need baking powder, half a teaspoon. You need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you're gonna need cinnamon, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're just gonna mix all the ingredients. It's already mixed in. Now I'm gonna grab a different bowl, which is a very large bowl. You're gonna add your butter. You're gonna add half cup of brown sugar. Then you're gonna add half cup of sugar. I'm gonna grab my mixture and I'm gonna mix the sugar and the butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the 1 egg. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. One. That I add the egg and the vanilla extract, I'm gonna go ahead with my mixture and then blend everything again. So now that we mix everything, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my other bowl that I mix all the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in this bowl. Add the oats inside the bowl. Go ahead and mix it. I'm gonna grab like on the sides and just kind of scrape it so I could mix it very well. So I'm just scraping so the whole flours and all the ingredients mix together. And add the raisins. This is optional, guys. I really like raisins, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it for my oatmeal cookies. And then I'm just gonna mix the raisins with the whole dough. Whole ingredients it's mixed. Now we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, so you're gonna need a pan, flat pan, and then you're also gonna need parchment paper. This is the one that I use. Wash my hands. So I'm gonna be taking this 1 tablespoon to get a tablespoon of roll of my dough, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it with my hands, and then I'm gonna roll it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab another dough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and then roll it and do the same thing. And then you're just gonna continue the process. Now that I roll all my cookies with the palm of my hand, I'm just gonna like press it, not too firm, but lightly. Continue the same process, just press it with your palm. Okay, so now the cookies are done. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my oven for 375 degrees for 10 minutes, and I'll get back to you to see how it turns out. This is what the oatmeal cookies look like. They did turn out a bit thin. These are my oatmeal cookies recipe. They turn out pretty good. They're really. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully you get to make these cookies as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.